AfterShip has a ton of valuable data surrounding your delivery KPIs, and sometimes you want to do more with that data than what happens natively in AfterShip and combine AfterShip data with tools across your stack to get better visibility into the KPIs that really matter to you and your customers. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick overview of Parabola's AfterShip integration that lets you get rich tracking data across your shipments and how to tie that into an automated workflow. Now, in this example, you can see that I'm getting started by pulling in some line item level data from Shopify. And after doing some data cleanup, I'm left with a list of orders and associated tracking numbers. This approach is great if you want to pull specific tracking information across your sales channels, OMS, and WMS, for instance. From there, I can plug that step into our AfterShip step, this track with AfterShip integration right here. And as you can see, I'm getting back data now that corresponds to exactly what's associated with that AfterShip tracking ID. I can see the tracking time, the carrier information like the status, estimated delivery date, so on and so forth. And the way that I'm doing that is on the left-hand side, I'm just telling Parabola, hey, here's the column that has my tracking number. This is what you should look at. And it's going line by line and pulling the latest tracking information for all of those different shipments. If I wanted to use this opportunity to, for instance, filter down to specific countries, specific statuses, or date ranges, I could absolutely do that as well. And this also allows you to customize exactly what data you get back from AfterShip and also give it a nice clean name. So maybe if I want to pull in information around the tracking number or country of origin, we can also pull that right in and clean it up right here in Parabola. Now, if I didn't want to start by enriching a list of tracking numbers, you also could just drop the AfterShip step directly on the canvas. This will pull in all of your tracking data, and then you can go ahead and add filters that way as well. Now, once we've pulled in this data, there's a whole lot we can do with it. One example is to, for instance, filter for any orders that are at risk of breaching SLA or should have been delivered already, so that your team can potentially follow up with these orders on delays or go investigate and understand if an order hit an exception or edge case in the process. You also can do things like create KPI dashboards. In this example, I am reporting on our average orders to ship to give us a sense of our fulfillment velocity. I'm tracking my average time in transit and then getting an aggregated metric for our average time from when an order is placed to actually being delivered. Now, this is obviously the highest level look at this data, but we also could get a lot more granular. We could break down delivery metrics by region, by sales channel. We could compare different carriers and ultimately use this data to inform our carrier scorecards as well. If you're looking for other use cases to see what else you can do with your AfterShip data, on the Parabola AfterShip landing page, you can see you can start with $5,000 in free AI credits if you're an AfterShip customer. As you scroll down on this page, you'll see an interactive demo like the one we just ran through, along with some different use cases. Maybe you want to use this integration to centralize all of your shipments across different providers, do some reconciliation to make sure that all of your orders actually have tracking numbers associated, and then create some of those custom reports and alerting workflows that we mentioned earlier. If you're using AfterShip today to export CSV files and do additional analysis in spreadsheets, Google Sheets, whatever it might be, you can automate any of those workflows and get better visibility into your tracking using Parabola's AfterShip integration. Feel free to sign up for a free account to get started and let us know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot.